Hello everybody, this is Steve Yoder. Welcome to the very first week in Legal Studies 246, the legal environment of business here in the summer of 2018 at the UAB Collat School of Business. Welcome to the course. Please look at my introduction video in the Getting Started module of the course. Every week in announcements opening at 12:01 a.m. every Monday morning, I'll have a preview video of what's ahead in the week. There will be some, not every week, but some weeks that there will be extra credit opportunities provided to you, so it's well worth your while to watch these videos. Here's the home page in Canvas. Using Canvas is very important. Obviously, if you've navigated this far, you know how to get in to Canvas. The course is set up using modules, starting with 1 and ending with 14. Here's a look inside the first two modules, the Getting Started module and module number 1. Please be sure you know how to navigate around those. And please be sure you know how to get to the calendar feature. You can even sync the calendar to your own personal calendar if you have one, for example, a Google Calendar or a Outlook calendar. These calendars are very helpful to keep up with the due dates on things. For example, you can see that you have a due date coming up on the 20th of May. You also have a due date that's not shown here of the 13th of May, by which you must introduce yourself in the Getting Started assignment, or you will be dropped from the course. We will be using a tool called Voicethread, and here are some instructions for Voicethread. It's very important that you upload your personal photograph of your face, not your dog, not a team mascot, your face, to both Canvas and to Voicethread. Many of you have already uploaded your profile photos to Canvas because you've had other courses in Canvas, but some of you have not, so you have to do that. And you must upload preferably the same photograph of your face to Voicethread, and there are instructions for that as well. Voicethread is easy to use. I've never had a student who was not able to figure it out. But for this very first introductions assignment, what I would like you to do is to introduce yourself by clicking at the plus sign that you will see after you have registered inside Voicethread, and following this list and introducing yourself. What's your name? What are you studying? What are your commitments outside of class? And something unique about you. Every semester I get some really wonderful responses from people ranging from I have 6 toes to I was born in another country to I'm one of triplets. It's really amazing what people have to say about themselves. Turning to the course, we will be covering a large number of topics related to the law in this business course. Why? Because there are many situations in which the law influences business decision making. Stop and pause and take a look at this slide to make sure you can see what's ahead. We'll be starting, for example, with the court system and then moving all the way through the 14 weeks, and by the time we get to the end of the course in week 14, we'll be looking at business organizations law. We get law from several sources: from the Constitution, from statutes, sometimes known as laws made by legislatures. We get law from judges, sometimes known as case law or common law. And we get law, many types of law, from administrative agencies. Finally, not this week, but in future weeks, as I said, there will be some extra credit opportunities. Please tune in and look at those opportunities and send me your answers by Canvas mail. It's very important that you only use Canvas mail in this course. I welcome you to the course, and I look forward to being your professor this summer.